Chapter 6, Hue and Saturation. Go to the adjustment layer, click on Hue and Saturation. There is a hand symbol, click on that. Go to the target color which needs to be changed. Move your Hue slider. Hue means color. If you want to change some color, you just need to move the Hue slider. I'll just push the Hue slider towards the extreme side, and I'll increase my saturation a bit, and down there is something like graph kind of thing, so I'll just go near there and I'll just push the slider slightly so that my subject will have nice feathering effect on it, so the colors will not spill on my subject. Adjust that graph so that it should not flow on your subject. So once it's done, go to the Hue slider, get your Hue slider, make your saturation 0 as of now, get your Hue slider, fix on the color whichever is required. So once that is done, go back. See, you can see the feathering is not that accurate. You can just feather it further so that it looks realistic and nice. I feel this particular color is looking nice for this particular photograph. If you want the colors to have nice saturation, move to the saturation slider, increase the color on the background. If you want to decrease it, you can decrease the color. So I'll just keep it to this extent. This is how you can work on Hue and Saturation slider.